Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery. Welcome to today's 5-Minute Friday. What we're doing, something in the garden's really easy to do that makes a lot of difference. And today we are cutting back Leucanthemum plants. So you can see the Leucanthemum here. It was planted and it's looking absolutely fantastic all through the year. But as you can tell, the flowers have gone off. We've just let it be in order to cut it back now. We've had a very, very hot September, so it was flowering really well through most of the summer and into the autumn, but now it is cutting back, ready for preparing for next year. So it's super easy to do. All I'm going to do is cut it pretty much down to the ground. So you can see these are the stems of the plant, and I'm going to cut it all the way back. A nice sharp pair. I've got shears, you can use secateurs, all the way back. So cut it quite hard, and you start seeing where we did it last year, actually some of the stems there from last year. You often have to start taking it away so you can see what you're doing. And this will really help the plant. It's going to neaten everything up, and it will come back, start sprouting through next spring, depending what the weather's like, around about March sort of time. But we're showing you this with Leucanthemum. And this one is Ooh La La Grande, but you can do it with loads of Leucanthemums, and you can also do it with so many herbaceous perennial plants where you want it to come back, neaten it up this time of year, and it really helps them come back next year. So you can see it's a fairly easy job to do. I'll just continue cutting it back, taking it all the way down. And then we get the cold months, it'll go through the winter, and next spring you'll see it will sprout through, look a lot neater, and we're looking forward to the flowers next year. If you've got any questions at all, obviously with any 5-Minute Friday, get in contact, we're here to help. See you soon.